Have you ever nicked yourself shaving? Or maybe you've got a minor cut or graze that just won't stop. Do you usually try to stop the bleeding by sticking messy bits of tissue paper all over yourself? Well, what if I told you there's a much quicker way? Simply grab a bar of potassium alum, more commonly known as an alum block. But how does it actually work? Alum is a natural mineral with astringent and hemostatic properties. When applied to a cut, it causes the blood vessels to constrict and the tissue to contract instantly. This effectively seals the minor blood vessels and proteins, stopping the bleed in seconds, while also acting as an antiseptic to kill bacteria. To use it, just follow these simple steps. 1. Rinse. Splash the area with cold water to remove any soap. 2. Wet the block. Run your alum under cold water. 3. Rub. Gently glide the block over the shaved skin. 4. Wait. Let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. You'll feel a slight tingle. That means it's working. 5. Final rinse. Wash off the salt residue and moisturize as usual. If you find a nick is being a bit stubborn, you might need an alum stick. It's a more concentrated version designed for those deeper cuts. Stop the bleed, ditch the tissue, and keep your skin looking sharp. But what's actually happening when that crystal touches your skin? It all comes down to 3 things. First, it's a powerful hemostatic. It physically shrinks your skin and constricts blood vessels on contact, which seals those minor nicks almost instantly. Second, it provides a layer of antiseptic protection. It kills surface bacteria, which is the secret to preventing those annoying razor bumps the next day. And finally, alum gives you instant feedback. If you feel a sharp sting when you apply it, it doesn't just mean you've cut too close, it means you've micro-abraded the skin. Think of it as a grade for your shave. A painless application means your technique was perfect. A sharp sting tells you exactly where you used too much pressure or where your blade is getting too dull. It's the ultimate way to refine your routine and prevent irritation before it starts.
Grooming isn't just about looking good. It's about the science of feeling your best and making every routine work for you. If you found this Alum Secret helpful, hit that subscribe button. Join me as we dive deeper into more quick health facts, grooming tips, and the science behind the things you use every day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp and stay well.